Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your ACER Chromebook Spin is stuck on Chrome OS logo. In such case, the only solution would be starting your device in the recovery mode, which you can do by turning your device off by holding down the power button. Once it's turned off, you have to press and hold escape and refresh buttons at the same time, then short press the power button to start your device. This will start your device in the recovery mode, and right now you're gonna have to reinstall the Chrome OS from USB. We have a separate video on our channel on how to go through that entire process, but basically you're gonna have to prepare yourself a USB flash drive with a recovery image and insert this flash drive into the available USB port, and then the factory reset operation will begin on your computer. If after the factory reset operation your issue wasn't resolved, then you're gonna have to reach out to ACER customer support service and notify them about this issue. Maybe most probably you have some sort of a hardware problem at this point. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.